Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Patil and today I will be sharing my experience of getting placed through campus placement of IIT Kharagpur. So let's begin. So it all started when I got admission to MTech program in IIT Kharagpur for the Department Agricultural Systems and Management. I started my masters in July 2019. After my admission, I started figuring out various career options I can take after my MTech as I was not clear what I will do after my MTech. So I started asking our seniors like what we can choose as a career after MTech. Majority of them told me that go for government exams and enroll for PhD. But no one told me to go for campus placements. As the history of placements for agriculture department in MTech is not quite good. Each year only one or two students from MTech department of agriculture get placements and that also in non-core companies for the profile of software engineer or data analyst. And that was the major reason no one was suggesting me to go for campus placements. At that point of time, I thought that this is the only one opportunity I will get to appear for the placements. This is one in a lifetime opportunity. So I will definitely go for it as I can go for trying out for government exams after my MTech also, but I won't get chance to appear for the placements after my MTech. This is one time opportunity for me. So I decided that I will took a path which very few people take. I believe that you have to risk everything for a dream. No one can see, but only you can see. So I risked my everything for placements. Here I don't want to suggest everyone to start preparing for the placements, but if you are ready to risk, then probably you may get rewards. Anything is possible if you are willing to put right amount of effort, right amount of time and right amount of resources in it. So I started preparing for my placements in February 2020. I was targeting the software developer profile and the second one was data analyst profile. Within 2 months of preparation, I was having a good command over Python programming language and I was known to the basic concepts of data analysis. If I want to talk about the time I was putting into my placement preparation, that was around 6 to 7 hours per day. In morning session, I used to do some preparation for data analysis. In the afternoon session, I used to do programming and solving problems on the websites like HackerRank and LeetCode. And in the evening and night session, I also used to solve the competitive programming problems. And if time permits, I used to read some books. It all went good till June 2020. And in June 2020, the college was vacated and we went to our homes. Because of COVID-19 protocol, I was not able to study almost for 1 month and I was out of schedule for 1 month. At that point of time, I got demotivated. My 1 month got wasted because of this COVID-19 protocol and as I came home. But then again, I remember why I started and again in August 2020, I started preparing for placements with new energy. I remember those days when I was having a quite busy schedule as I have to maintain a balance between project work of my MTech and preparation for placements. It was really hectic schedule for me and I had no time to do anything else. Those days I was having only sleep about 6 to 7 hours per day. But eventually at the end it all paid off. In October 2020, the test started for the placements and I remember I almost appeared for every test which is related to profile of software engineer and data analyst. I think I appeared for 27 tests and the thing was I was not shortlisted for any one of the company and that was quite demotivating for me. But again I stood up. I didn't give up. I continued giving tests for each and every company and that really helped me to crack that interview for which I got selected. So the thing I want to mention here is the hardest part of the process is when you are not seeing the results. At that point of time, you have to keep pushing yourself and keep moving forward. One time the thing happened that for one company I solved all the questions correctly and still I was not able to get shortlisted for interview and that was really disturbing for me. Finally, the last day of placement came. Through this entire journey, I want to tell you that I have never ever doubted myself, and I was quite enough sure that I will get the placements no matter what happens. So on the final day of the placement of the first phase on 11th of December 2020, I got shortlisted for the first company for the interview. The interview started at 1 p.m. and it lasts for around 45 to 50 minutes. And in interview, the experience of giving 27 tests really helped me. Interview went quite well for me. And after finishing off interview, I was having that intuition that I will get selected for this company. And around 5 p.m., a guy from Placecom called me and told me that you got offer from JTC. And that was one of the beautiful moments of my life. I can't explain in words how happy I was on that moment, because all my struggles, all my efforts and all my pain got paid off at that one moment only, and I made impossible possible for me. So that was my journey of taking placement from campus placement of IIT Kharagpur. I'm quite impressed by this one quote which says that if something is important for you, you will do it even if odds are not in your favor. And I did exactly the same. So the point I want to make here is, no matter what you are doing in your life, just give your 110% to that thing. Believe in that thing and go after your dreams. Thank you.